In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete some item from your iCloud drive. So let's see how we can do this thing. You just need to use on browser. I'm using like Safari browser, and once I use Safari browser, I access the website iCloud.com, and then I logged in my account. After login, we can actually access the drive different ways. From here, this site drive, or from here drive, or we can go on the top right corner. There is quick access. If we click over there, it will bring those options. One of the options is drive. Just click over there, and very shortly you will be inside this folder. Once you click that icon, then you will be in this page where you will see there are a couple of menu items are there: recent, browse, shared, recently deleted, and downloads. Now to delete anything, suppose I'm going to delete one item. For example, like I'm going to access browse folder. Over there is on like my customized video is there, item video. So here basically I want to delete this item. To delete anything, basically at first we need to select the item, and after that we need to click this delete button basically. So I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be deleted. When the file is deleted, then it is not removed permanently, so we need to remove that permanently. So for that we need to go to this menu, recently deleted, and here I see the item which I just deleted is storing still there, what they are. So it will keep remain like next 29 days or 30 days, whatever you can say, this many days it will be there. So to remove it permanently, we just need to press this button, delete all, and very shortly and iCloud will give us some warning that it will be deleted permanently immediately, and after that I cannot recover. I want to delete this thing, so I'm going to choose this option, delete, and then it will be deleted. So that's it. In this way we can easily delete some item from our iCloud drive permanently.